Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLS 450 4MATIC. This one is in iridium silver metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 bi-turbo pushing out 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque on aromatic air suspension. For wheels, we got 19-inch twin 5-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. A saddle brown black leather interior with a burl walnut trim, sunroof, third row seating. Coming around back, GLS 450 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. This one does come with the driver's assistance package, which is going to give you Distronic, active blind spot assist, active lane keep assist. Also includes the premium 1 package with memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, hard keys for a media display, heated and cooled seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad wheel for infotainment center. This GLS has, let's see here, 38,045 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLS 450 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.